Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I am here to welcome you to your budget planner video tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, I will walk you through using the monthly budget planner to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started. To access the budget planner, click on the link provided in the PDF welcome sheet that you receive when you purchase your monthly planner. The link will take you to a similar Google Drive screen where you can make a copy of the document, saving it to your own Google Drive. Once you've made a copy, you are ready to begin. So here we are in your monthly budget planner template. Let's start with my monthly budget tab. Here it is. So let's start with the income section. Here, enter any type of income that you will be earning throughout the month. For example, you can put your salary or any side hustle income. Feel free to include any reliable monthly income sources here. Now let's move on to the bills section. Here you will enter any fixed amount expenses that typically remains the same each month, such as the rent, mortgage, childcare, car payments, insurance, internet, and more. The spending section is where you will track your variable expenses. So these are expenses that fluctuate based on your usage and can include groceries, dining out, shopping, gas, medical bills, home repairs, and more. Here you will have pre-written categories, but you can customize them as needed. Now let's focus on savings. Here you can create savings categories for different purposes like emergency funds, vacation funds, or any specific savings goal that you have in mind. As an example, I name one of my funds a trip to paradise because I dream of going to the French Polynesian Islands. Next up is the debt section. And this is where you can track any outstanding debts that you have, such as credit cards. You may also include mortgages, but in this case, don't include them in the bills because you don't want to count your mortgages twice. It can also be car loans, student loans, or any other debt that you want to keep an eye on. Great job! That completes the setup of the categories of your monthly budget. Now let's get on to our numbers. So let's start recording your budget amounts. Here you will enter the expected amounts for each income source, bills, spending categories, savings, and debt payments. As you enter the budgeted amounts, you will notice the chart color changing to reflect your budget amounts. And you will also see the amount left to budget, which is automatically updated based on your entries. Now let's move on to the actual amounts. So here you will record the actual income, bills, savings, and debt amount that you have earned or paid during the month. Enter this amount to see how your budget compares to the actual figures, and you can see it from the chart there. And of course, this could be different from your budgeted amount. So now that's where the magic happens. The chart updates and an interactive prompt appears based on the amount of money that you have left. So you are always taken care of. So in the spending section, we will not record our number here. Instead, we will just use our budget body in the next tab. So to record your expenses, go to my budget body tab. And this tab is a transaction tracker. So how you use it is easy. All you have to do is to choose a date by double clicking on the cell here. Choose a category, and as you see, the list of items matches the list that you found on your monthly budget tab. Now enter the amount and the description for each transaction. And voila! Your spending will be reflected in the monthly budget tab in the spending section. So every time, keep recording your transaction, and you will notice on the right side the dates where you spend the most along with the corresponding amounts. Additionally, you will also find a chart that provides insight into the types of expenses contributing to your overall spending. Also note that if you record several transactions from the same category, let's say you go out to eat several times during the month, the amount here will take into account the sum of all expenses under that category. Also, another note, if you happen to forget to write, for example, a category, it's okay. Go back to your monthly budget tab and write it there. And it will automatically show up on the category list of your budget buddy, so you can record expenses pertaining to this category as well. That's it. All right, now, so let's move on to our dollar diary. So the dollar diary is a calendar where you can input your income, your due dates for bills, expenses, debts, and savings. It's like having a diary to keep everything organized. And as with any diary, you have the date. So you don't have to change it every time you are in this tab, the date will adjust. So that's it. It's a formula, so you don't have to change anything. All you have to do is you choose a month, and on the calendar, you click that little arrow here, and you will see the items from your monthly budget, everything from the income list to the bills, spendings, savings, and the debts. All you have to do is choose your item, and voila. Now, if you want to change its color because you think that white is too boring, well, it's okay. Just click again on the arrow, scroll down until you see a pencil. Click on it and you will see to your right an editor popping up. You see your item listing there, and click on that little color tab there, and colors will show up. Choose your color or pick a customized one. On the written instruction tab of your template, I gave you some suggested colors for each main category with the X number. This area is optional. However, if you think that this calendar can help you have a visual recordings of everything, use it. It's your template. Now let's talk about how to change a currency. So to change the currency, select the area where you enter numbers. Click Format, then Numbers and Custom Currency. Select your local desired currency. Enter then a number. Enter. Voila! Your number in your local currency. That's it, my friends. You are now on your way to financial stability, control, and freedom from worry. I'll be here to support you every step of the way. So remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Just go to the instruction tab and click on the provided link, and you will be taken to the shop's main page where you can message me. I will reply within 24 hours. So get ready to witness your progress and celebrate every milestone on your path to financial freedom. Happy budgeting, guys. Bye-bye.